Hello guys, today I am back with a new video. This video is about task 2 connectors. You can use these connectors in your writing task 2 to achieve higher scores. This video is for GT and for academic. For causes you can write due to this, consequently, as a result, that is why, this is because. For BP bun, you can use the first reason is that the first and foremost is the most compelling reason for holding to my view is that the most compelling reason for believing this is that one approach, the predominant reason is that there is no doubt that. And for secondly, you can use in addition to this, another reason is that there may also be the chance, it is also possible to do. Another point to consider is that. And for BP1, you can also use to begin with, to commence with. And for comparison, like pros and cons, you can use on the flip side, on the contrary side, on the other hand. For discussion essay, you can use it is often thought that, it is considered by some that, it is argued by some that, some people support the opinion that. And for partially agree, you use, however there are number of reasons that it is not necessarily the best way. And you can write this connector in your BP2. And for conclusion, you can use to conclude in conclusion. These both are important connectors. And please use in conclusion complex structure like although and even though. For instance, although the merits of having a credit card more, but the demerits cannot be overlooked. And for even though there are some negatives of this approach, but comma का मतलब है but these can be neglected by over it positive. And for linking connectors, you can use additionally along with this, in addition, apart from this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel IELTS with Abhi.